I told you your opinions could turn into cash without leaving your home? Companies spend millions trying to understand what people really think, and this platform that I'm going to show you today connects everyday people with paid research studies, including online interviews, surveys, and focus groups, where businesses genuinely want your feedback. No hype, no get rich quick, no scams, no quick promises, just structured opportunities that reward your time. Now, here is what most people assume. They think you must live in the UK to qualify. They believe location is a barrier, but it is not. And based on my experience and with the people I've worked with so far, in this video, I'm going to show you how to position yourself properly and how to focus on remote opportunities so you can participate even if you're not physically in the UK. Because research companies care about demographics and insights. And when you understand how the system works, you increase your chances of getting selected. I will walk you through how the platform works, how to complete your profile strategically, how to spot higher paying studies, and how to handle the location limitation intelligently and responsibly. If you're serious about earning through research participation and not just clicking random survey sites, stay with me until the end. And before we continue, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss practical breakdowns on real online earning strategies. And I want you to understand that this is something you can do on your phone, so you don't need a laptop to get started. Now, let's get into it. So, like I said, you need to install a VPN in your phone, change your location to UK, because I'm tired of you guys complaining about not being able to take part in this type of research in the UK or any other country at that. I'm tired of hearing that from you guys. You guys are wasting time, limiting yourself from actually earning online. So how do you bypass the location issue? So first of all, download a VPN. There's this VPN I've been introducing you guys to. I'll display it on the screen for you. Install that VPN on your phone. I've also made a video about it earlier. I will also link the video. Install it on your phone. You see option to change your location. You can get it for free. All you need to do is to watch some ads, then you keep using it. But if you have the money, pay for it. I have someone in my community who paid for his VPN. He's using VPN proxy. He has UK number. He's focusing on research studies in the UK, and he has earned his second money from one of the UK platform I introduced you guys here. He has also signed up on this one, and his profile is 100%. So install VPN. If you want to pay for subscription, pay. Spend money to get money. Then have the VPN running on your phone before you go to this platform. Okay, have the VPN running on your phone before you log into this platform. Take part in research.co.uk. You have to have the VPN installed, change your location to UK, and then sign in and apply. Make sure your profile is 100% complete. All right, that's how you go about it. This is my dashboard, and you can see they have face-to-face research, online tasks, and diary studies. These are the ones. So I'm going to show you the ones to apply for. You will not come and apply for this one, face-to-face research, in-home food and nutrition research. This is for London and Birmingham. 4 hours in-home visit. They will visit your home and it's paying £200. So you will not go for this one because you don't live here. But this one, you can apply for it. Online tasks and diary studies, building, construction, and tradesperson research, UK-wide, 90-minute online focus group. And you get paid £100. Online focus group is running from 20th of February to 11th of March 2026. Apply for this one like as I'm talking to you right now. You apply for it. If you're selected, all you need is a computer with a webcam or a phone with webcam, because it's an online task. 90-minute online focus group. They'll bring maybe 3 or 4 of you together. You join on Zoom or Google Meet, and you talk, you interact with them for 90 minutes, and you get this £100. Business utilities research, online group and interview, £90. Online safety research, 90 minutes in-person group or 60-minute online interview. So you can choose one. If you want to go for 90 minutes in person, like you go to a location with other people, or you go for 60-minute online interview, you can do this one, £60 for in-person and £30 for online interview. Charitable giving and prize draw research, England education opinion research. The thing is that you guys don't do your research. You feel you must be in a location before you participate. Some of you be asking me, what about postcode? What about address? Use your Google. You can find any postcode at all. Just type in London postcode. You see one, use it. They're not even going to visit your location. They don't want to know where you live. It's just for you to complete this application. I cannot talk too much because I already have some serious-minded people who have completed their profile 100%. And it's amazing to know that some people in our community are actually doing something for themselves instead of complaining. Okay. Social housing resident research, TV decision making research, 90-minute interview, 40 to 60 pounds. In-person snack tasting. I've done this one in the past. 2 hours in-person group is in Fulham and it's paying 70 pounds. You go there for food product testing. Maybe they want to bring out a new snack. You gather there. So if you're in the UK, apply for this one. If you're in the UK and you're crying about not having money in your bank account, you're doing yourself because there are so many opportunities out here you can grab. If people from Nigeria are grabbing it from Nigeria, I don't know why you cannot do it here. So these are all the projects. Calling all working in finance, media and technology opinions research, paying 60 pounds, UK employment opportunities research, women's public transport experiences. Even myself, I'm coming to do some application right now. There are some that I would need to apply to here. So these are all the available research they have, looking for your opinion. 50 to 250 pounds, calling all parents and caregivers of under 18s, food preparation research, 30 minutes, Wales workshops, men's sexual wellness research. I can't even count how many tasks I have in my dashboard, but I have this number of tasks in my dashboard just because of my profile. So I don't know how your profile is going to look like. That is why you need to complete a profile 100%. Okay, so let me show you. So I had to clear out my profile to show you guys how the profile looks like. Please amend any details that may have changed since last registering for research. Current members only. So it starts with the title of your name, your surname, your current living status. What is your employment status? Do you have children? Your town, city, county, postcode, daytime contact telephone, alternate telephone. So you need your telephone number. Find a way to get a UK number. Some people have already gotten theirs. I made a video about it. You have to spend some money to get some things, okay? Your email address, do you own a car or not? You put your car, the brand and everything here, year of manufacture and every detail. Then you submit, okay? This is how your profile should look like. This is where you see your current projects, the projects that you have applied to, the projects that are open for you to apply. Look, all these ones are open for me. If I'm interested now, I will apply. This will be your inbox, okay? So location should not limit you from getting into these opportunities. Let me see if I can find and I want to also make it clear that it's not you will not be qualified for all the tasks that you apply to. That you apply to does not mean that you get it. So this one, I participated in this one. I think this was my first one, meal kits. I got 50 or 60 pounds for this, or 150, I can't remember, for this project completed. This one I didn't complete it, and I have not really had time to apply for more. So that you apply it does not mean that you will get it. So that's why you need to apply for so many. There's this man in the community that I like so much. That man, as soon as I introduced him to this one, he completed his profile 100%. The other platform that I showed you guys, he has earned twice. I will not stop talking about him. So this is how your profile should look like. Tell them more about you. You tell them about your health, about you, transport, politics, shopping, finances, employment. I haven't filled this one. So it's 6/7 complete. You see, you have to complete this. If you want to be getting projects every time, complete it. So once I complete this 7th one, employment, I'll be on pro level. But I'm on advanced level right now. This matters a lot because this will influence the type of task that you get approved on and the ones that are shown on your dashboard. All right. So whenever there's available research in my dashboard, they will send me a notification here and also to my email address. So you will click on this apply button. It will take you to the page where you will take your time and do this application. There are no right or wrong answers for you, and the payout method depends on the kind of project you're given. Sometimes you'll be You see options like gift card, vouchers, or PayPal, or even bank transfers. The payment option depends on what the client is paying with. Now, let us wrap this up properly. Participating in research studies is not magic money. It is strategic income. The people who earn consistently are intentional and consistent. First, make sure to complete your profile 100%. Research companies select participants based on detailed demographics. The more complete and accurate your information is, the higher your chances of getting selected. Second, apply fast. Many studies have limited spots and fill quickly. Treat every opportunity like limited seating. Third, check your email daily because invitations are often time sensitive. If you miss the message, you miss the opportunity. Fourth, be professional during sessions. Show up on time, speak clearly, provide thoughtful answers. Reliable participants often receive repeat invitations. Fifth, think long term. Real results come from stacking multiple studies over time, not from expecting instant payouts. Remember, location is not always the barrier. People assume it is. When you focus on remote opportunities and understand how online research works, you expand your access responsibly. If this video helped you understand how to approach research platforms smarter, do not just watch, take action immediately. Comment below and tell me where you're watching from. Like this video if you found value in it and subscribe for more practical and realistic ways to earn online without falling for hype. Your time has value. Make sure you're getting paid for it. I'll see you in the next video.